So guys, for the first step, you want to head over to search and type in registry editor. Click on it and then click on yes. Now it's just making a backup of your registry, so you want to click on file in the top left and then click on export, and then I'm just going to save it to my desktop. I'm just going to type in registry backup and then click on save and wait for this to load. And now once you run this, you can follow everything I'll be doing up here. So first you want to expand HK local machine, and then you want to expand software, and then you want to expand Microsoft, and then you want to scroll down and expand Windows. So now we're going to expand Windows, and now you want to expand current version. Just going to make this bigger. And now you want to scroll down and expand Explorer. You want to expand Explorer, and now you just want to click on Advanced. So don't expand it, you just want to click on it once, and now this will appear on the right side. And now once you run this, you want to right click on any blank space, and then click on New, and then click on DWORD 32-bit value. And now you want to type in UseOLEDTaskbarTransparency. You want to type it in with the exact same capitals and spelling that I did, and then click on Enter. And now you want to double click on this and make the value data 1 and click on OK. And then once you've done that, now you want to head over to search and type in Microsoft Store. Click on it. And now once you run this, you want to search for translucent TB. Click on Enter. Scroll down, and then you want to download this one right here, translucent TB. Click on Get. Now we're going to download it. Now it's going to open it up. Continue. And now your taskbar should be transparent, but if it's not, you just want to click on the arrow, and then you want to open up translucent TB. Click on it, and then you want to click on Start Opened, and then click on Enabled. And then you have a couple options here that you can choose from, and that's how you do it.